So this next piece, this next thing is on. See, it's such fucking propaganda. It's like such PR cover. Like, I don't know how else to call this. Fucking, like, is it called PR cover or? Yeah, so like I was saying, some sort of like PR cover or PR center or something else. Like I'm noticing this shit more and more and more. And you're gonna see this more and more and more as life, society, and everything else becomes less and less human, of which is hardly like, what does it mean to even be fucking human today? We live in this fucking machine society, machine state, this technological kind of fucking society. But I saw a fucking commercial, actually prior to the commercial, it's been at least a fucking few months now. TD, so it's a bank up here in Canada, but they have branches down in the States as well, has been saying like how they're like still human. I'm like, why are they even? So it's like the less things become human, the more they will need to almost advocate or say, hey, we're still human. So because they know where things are going, whether it's like automation, speaking of machines, or I mean, fuck banks, dude. But like, hold on. Fucking human resources. Give me a break. Yeah, more human. More Human is a core brand platform and operating philosophy launched by TD Bank. It emphasizes that as banking becomes increasingly digital, technology should strengthen human connections rather than replace them. It's all fucking meaningless. Delivering services that are simpler, more empathetic, and client-centric. Digital and analog balance. That I'm not even going to go through all this bullshit, but dude, there's fucking article. Dude, oh my fucking God. There's several fucking articles on this bullshit. Someone's like, more or less human. There's a Reddit post. Everyone's like, get rid of more human. TD Bank, more human. This recent brand update. The digital future should also be a human one. We're making banking more human. Like the word human, more simple, more helpful, more human. Holy fucking LARP. A more human way to bank. Dude, it's just a fucking... And then at the end of it's like all this anti-human shit. Indigenous communities, 2S, LGBTQ, people with disabilities, Black experience, celebrating women. So DEI at TD, this is all anti-human, but whether they're aware of it or not, I mean, the people. So that's been going on, and you see billboards for this shit on the street, on the fucking news, commercials, in Goy sports, Goy ball. So you'll see like in the stands or like in the whatever, like exactly where the fucking camera's pointing when the pitcher and the player are like aligned, like about to hit or about to pitch, you just see more human. It's like people are, because most people are, again, that are fucking unconscious beings. They're just kind of sleepwalking through life. So they're gonna be like, oh, it's still human. Like, oh, it's fucked. That's crazy. Oh my God. There's videos on this shit as well. Still banker. And again, it's going to be like, they're saying this because whether they know it or not, or they do, it's like as it becomes, it's nothing, whether you're interfacing with machines or screens, that's not human, or speaking with like third world subhumans, that's not fucking human. Like, and that's anti-human, and it actually helps destroy the human and actually pushes us further into the machine and creates a case for replacement. Because I said this before, like, and everything else are being put in by design to destroy the quality, everything that's Hegelian dialectic, to actually like beg for, call for the machine replacement, of which is pure slavery on both ends. So total replacement of the people working these jobs at like below minimum wage to just it being total fucking machine, of which will cost less for the companies and they can still charge more. There's no labor to wage kind of connection. It's like, oh, if we increase the minimum wage, price is going to go up. Now it's like, there's no minimum wage. You just need fucking data centers to print these bots or whatever to print this Goy slot food. It's so fucking cooked. But anyways, that was one thing with TD, which I think I've made the point. Just everything's so fucking, dude, it's such a fucking PR stunt. Holy fucking shit. Less bank, more real talk. And then you fucking call them and it's either one, an AI voice, or two, someone from the fucking third world who barely fucking speaks English. And I'm waiting there for, they're ruining everything. So I'm like, give me a fucking machine just to speak to instead. And that'll be like a more real than real human voice, of which I want to be fucking human. At that point, sure. Like, why can't we just have real human people doing, like, again, everything's about fucking replacement. And then no one will have fucking jobs. You'll have UBI, everything else. That's not human. And then now with the fucking coffee, brand, Lavazza. It says pleasure makes us human. There was an ad on TV. I'm like, what the fuck? What makes us human? Ability to feel and experience pleasure. Like, why? So like, that's what I'm saying. And then they're using a robot. So for their thing. And that's the whole thing now. It's like, again, point being, trying to find it. If I had a note here somewhere else, I don't know where I put it. Maybe I can find it, but that's fucking retarded. But everything's so frustrating. But yeah, it's like the more and more things become less human, the more they're going to pitch and try and sell this whole shit of things are still human. Let's be human. It's like, well, I mean, it's everything's fucking cooked. Nothing's going to change. It's all by design. They want to destroy what it means to be human and destroy. I'm not going to get too much into this, but what I'm trying to say is the more and more things become less human and the human gets replaced. I even hate how much I'm using the word now. The more that you're going to see all this like propaganda stunt, PR cover up, all this BS marketing that's like, hey, we're still human. It's like, you're going to see stores, brands, everything else, specifically the big stuff. So like, it'll be like, hey, Amazon's still human, or this company's still human. We're still human. No, it's lost humanity tenfold in the past decade or whatever else. Humanity's completely fucking destroyed again by design. And now they're going to be using all this like propaganda to help, like, as like a LARP to help like mask the loss of humanity otherwise taking place full scale, and trying to keep it as unnoticed or just like so people like whatever don't revolt or don't like make comment or whatever else. But it's cooked.